We say it is churches can grow without going. I mean, we see that churches can grow on, different theology, or they can grow without an eye on sending, and that can happen. And it does happen. But if you reverse it, you cannot go without growing. I mean, you can, if you want to be a going church, you can preach the right things, have the right culture, man, get your people excited about it. But without a steady stream of the lost coming to Christ, or new people to your area choosing to go to your church, without a steady stream of new people coming in, it's going to be very hard to sustainably send people out long-term, church plants, international missions. It's just not going to happen. So growing churches are growing churches. And that is something that I feel like we have seen, just time and time again, even in our stream and the churches that we know really well, is one of the marks of the churches that are going the most are churches that are growing the most. That doesn't mean they're huge. I'm talking about percentages here, So, a church of 200 can have the same percentage of a church of 2,000 that's growing. But it's different numbers, but it's that eye toward, we're not going to separate these things and become, it's only missional, it's only disciple making, it's only one-on-one evangelism, it's only, sending in a certain way, but it is, man, we're going to grow to go.